Good morning, students. Today we will do question number 5. According to this question, a cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? So there are two types of boxes. One is the cubical and the other is cuboidal. So we have to compare the lateral surface area and the total surface area of the two boxes. Thus a cubical box whose edge is 10 centimeter, which we denote by A. So the lateral surface area of cube is 4A square. Lateral surface area means area of the four walls. So just put it into the formula. A equals to 10. So 4 into 10 square, that is 400 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the lateral surface area of cuboidal box whose dimensions are 12.5, 10 and 8 centimeter respectively. So the lateral surface area of cuboidal box is, again, what is the lateral surface area? That is given by the formula twice L plus B into H. So 2 into, we will just put the values, L equals to 12.5 and B equals to 10 and H is 8. So when you put it into the formula, you will get it as 2 into 22.5 into 8, that is 360 centimeter square. We have to find out whose lateral surface area is greater and by how much. So what do we find here? That 400 centimeter square is greater than 360 centimeter square. Means lateral surface area of cubical box is greater than lateral surface area of cuboidal box. And by how much? For that we will find out the difference between the two. That is 400 minus 360, that is 40 centimeter square. Now the next part of the question is we have to compare the total surface area of the two boxes. So for this we will find out the total surface area of cubical box as well as cuboidal box. As we all know that the total surface area of cubical box is 6A square. So when you will put it into the formula, that is A is given 10, you will get it as 600 centimeter square. Now the total surface area of cuboidal box is given by the formula twice LB plus BH plus LH. Now we know what are the L, B and H given, 12.5, B and 8 centimeter. So we will put these in this formula. When you will put it, you will get 2 into 12.5 into 10 plus 10 into 8 plus 8 into 12.5. So you just calculate it, you will get it as equal to 610 centimeter square. So when we compare it, what do we find? That 610 centimeter square is greater than 600 centimeter square. Means total surface area of cuboidal box is greater than cubical box. And by how much? When you define the difference, it is equal to 10 centimeter square. Now let's see question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse or herbarium is made entirely of glass panes, including base, held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide and 25 centimeter high. So the indoor greenhouse is cuboidal in shape. By seeing the dimensions only you can understand it is cuboidal in shape. What is the area of the glass? Since it is given that the greenhouse is made of glass panes including base, so means we have to find out the total surface area of the glass. So to find out the total surface area of the glass, we will use the formula, that is twice LB plus BH plus LH. So you just put the values, 2 into 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30. When you put the values, you will get it as 2 into whole 750 plus 625 plus 750, that is, when you calculate it, you will get it as 4250 centimeter square. Now the next part of the question is how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges. As you know that in a cuboidal there are 12 edges, 4 length, 4 breadth and 4 height. So we have to find out the length of the tape needed for all the 12 edges. So what we will do, we will find out 4 times length plus 4 times breadth plus 4 times height. Or when you take out 4 common, it becomes 4 into L plus B plus H. L is 30, B is 25 and H is also 25. So when you add it, it becomes 80. So 4 into 80 is 320 centimeter. So children, do this question, 2 questions in your copy. Thank you.